There are 3 rules to criticism, and you have to remember the 3. They're pretty easy to remember. Rule number 1, don't do it. Rule number 2, don't do it. Rule number 3, don't do it. And if you remember those 3 rules, I guarantee you'll be far more successful. Now, that's very easy for me to say. The problem is that we all know it, and nevertheless, we all do it all the time. It's an amazing thing. We human beings can be so intelligent, so well thought out, except when it comes to our own lives. When it comes to the thick and thin of our own lives, suddenly it's out the window. And the writing reflex jumps into operation, and I start pointing the finger, and maybe I'm polite, maybe I'm nice, maybe not, but I'm very, very strong in my criticism.